Before you practice the worksheets J53, let's study the examples together carefully. The first example is on page 53A. First step, to identify the repeated terms. X squared plus x, and we give it a name, a. First step is to rewrite the expression using the substitution. Then we remove the brackets, multiply up the terms. Calculate the numbers. Factorize them. We need to end up having a middle term of -8. Then we can use the numbers -5, -3. When they multiply up, I end up having +15. So these terms and numbers are correct. Okay, so now the equation or the expression is factorized. I put back the original value of a back into the expression. Okay, then we have the answer. Let's try to study the example on page 53B. First step again, we identify the repeated terms. They can be easily identified, and we give it a name a. We rewrite the expression using the substitution a instead of x squared minus 5. So in the first bracket, I'm left with x. In the second bracket, substitute the value of x by a, and I'm left with the middle term plus 2x. Then we remove the bracket, multiply up the terms. We get a squared plus xa plus 2xa plus 2x squared minus 12x squared. Then we do the calculations. The equation becomes a squared plus 3xa minus 10x squared. Next step is to factorize this expression. We need to end up having a middle number, a +3. So 5 and the 2 are the two factors for the last term. But instead of having to arrive at a negative number for the last term and a positive number for the middle term, I need to have one of the numbers being negative, and it should be a +5 and a -2. When they multiply up, I get a -10. When they are added up, I get a +3 for the middle term. Then we write down the factors. Okay, last step, to replace the value of a by the original items. At the same time, I arrange the items in descending order of the power of x. Okay, then here we come with the answer. So now you study the examples carefully enough, then you know the method to tackle the other questions on these 2 pages. So give it a try.